Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about making money from surveys and specifically um, an app on your phone because I think that's a really cool way to make a little money. Now this method is just not going to make you rich, okay? It's just going to help you get a little extra cash and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the app that we're going to use is called Adipole. Now, I don't know if you guys have used this before, but it has a bunch of surveys over here, as you can see, that you can complete, and it shows you the amount of time required to complete the survey, and it also has a star rating, a 5-star rating on how easy it is to complete it, because obviously not all surveys you do will give you money, because the people who put these surveys online for you to complete, they require a certain type of audience, so if they feel like you are not the audience they are looking for, they won't pay. So if you don't meet the requirements, they'll disqualify you from the survey, which is pretty annoying. But, other than that, I feel like it's like a pretty cool way of making money. So I just downloaded it, um, and as you can see, I've made 73 pence. I've just been on the app for like five to 7 minutes, and I've already made 73 pence. Now, obviously, this is not going to make you rich, like I said, but it's really cool because they have different payment options. So, for example, gift card, these are all the gift cards that you can get. They have minimal threshold requirements, as you can see. I think the minimum for gift card is $2.50 for Amazon, Google Play, John Lewis, and then it's £5, and then Uber Eats as well as £15. And then also you can request a PayPal payment. So if you don't want a gift card or any, you have a PayPal account, you need £3 for this. And then Revolut, you can also request Revolut payment, £2.50. And then an option that I think is really cool is that you can also donate to charity, which is the minimum is $2.50 for this one. So yeah, if you're looking for an easy survey website that you can just, complete surveys on your way to work or when you're on the bus or, anytime that you would normally be on your phone and you want to earn a little extra money, I would recommend Adipole. I will put a link in the description which you can use to sign up, and you will get 40 pence to get you started just for signing up using the code. So yeah, this is a great and easy way to make money online. I hope you found this video useful, and if you would like to see more videos on survey websites like this, just make sure to let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.